In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change store currency on your Shopify store. This is very easy and quick. All you have to do, you want to open your Shopify, then log in into your Shopify account. I'm going to do that right now. Now, next thing you want to do, guys, to change the currency on your Shopify store is to click on settings at the very bottom left. Now, after that, guys, what you want to do, guys, next, you want to scroll down, okay? First, make sure you select store details, okay? Store details. After you are here, you want to scroll down, okay? Scroll down a little bit, and you will find here store currency. Click on the currency and then change it to any currency you want. Now, after you change it, guys, let me just find the currency. For example, dollars. Okay, I'm going to select dollars. I don't even know where, like, okay, dollars. Now, yeah, this is dollars in the first. Okay, it's the first option. You say dollars. Now, after you change that, guys, after you change your currency, make sure you click on save in the top right. Otherwise, you are not going to change it. Like, click on save it in top right. And that's exactly, guys, how you can change store currency on Shopify. I hope, guys, this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.